Hello, this is another update from Peace Math, the peaceful math place. Remember, send photos of your questions. Let's have a look here. This one is question number 8. It's pretty silly. It has this idea that things can be closed. Now, all that means is that if 2 plus 3 equals 5, and 5 is still part of the group of numbers, so it's closed. But if you do 2 divided by 5, it's not closed because it's a fraction. So basically, if I add 3x to the 4th to one of these, right? So there's 3x to the 4th somewhere. It's going to create, the system is closed because the something are blank, and by definition the sum is a polynomial. The exponents, I think it's probably the coefficients, are let's see, whole numbers. The coefficients are whole numbers. That's what happened here. See, that's not a whole number, so we can't use that one. That's all they're doing. They're just saying this plus this will equal, it can't be this one because the exponents are not what are they saying here? The system is closed because see, that one doesn't work because it's got a -1. This one doesn't work because that coefficient is a fraction. Add this to one of these guys because no, it must be the exponents. That's what it is. It has to be the exponents are integers or whole numbers because they're not negative. That's what whole numbers means. It's not negative. Can you believe all of this is going on and you're supposed to get through this in this amount of time? Very annoying. So don't worry if you don't quite get this idea. This is just silly. Let's look really closely at what the difference is. This one had the -1 here, and this one had a -2. So those two are out. A polynomial is something that has x squared, x cubed. You can add this to it. And the exponents are positive whole numbers. Okay. Well, you have just spent a little bit of time with Peaceful Math. And I hope that you will send some photos with questions.